this. But not only this, there's a lot more to do. And today we do something. We work on this part, the chassis, and I would like to explain my plan to put lights, all the lights, a lot of lights. And this is not made to mount LED. I will show you. Comment, like and subscribe. Ball bearings. Here there are two spacers. It's better to take out the wheels to show you, to have a better view to my engineering work. Done. Now I can show you better the work, how I have mounted the front hubs, the steering. The engine is a standard 540 Mabuki made in China. Powerful engine. As it's a little bit fragile. I thought it was fragile, but it's not that. And here we have space for the ESC and receiver, or receiver here with the cables. No, too long. Ah, yes, I have just this this is very short. So here the receiver for sure. I think this is a nice work. It's nice, the idea to cut a car from the rear and carry on the front what's on the rear. Let's start the work. Undo this. This is made. So what next? You see. All washed. We are ready to start the work, and I can tell you that when things are washed they look much better. This is still wet, where we can dry with this. Okay, or wait to evaporate, water to evaporate. And we start from tires, these tires, and these are in good, well, perhaps also this one. Yes, there, come on. These tires. I need a toothbrush, perhaps. Yes. Here it is. I use this product since 8 years, and despite what they say that silicone in a long time is dangerous for gummy, I can say that all my tires are in perfect shape, perfect conditions. So I keep on going using this. I preserve them in the time. They will survive me. It will be a problem for my kids. I like to give problems to other people. I'm died, but I'm still here with you. Okay, and now this one. And also inside. So you have a double action, and then you can do also this. This message is fantastic because it makes the grease penetrate very well. And I live with a lot of grease that will be slowly, it goes inside. Okay, and now you know how to treat your tires. If you have cars from a long time, go and do this to their tires. Without tires, cars are very nice. Oh wow. Okay. We start fixing all the body parts that are not in good order, in good shape. Then we will fix something here, and then we think to the interior. I have to buy 2 pilots, so it will take a little time because they come from England, and we have tax. Brexit, it's a shit. Okay. Comment, like and subscribe. And now some slides about this fixing. About lights. As you see, we have 2 main lights and 4 helping, I say helps light, they are additional lights, and no one of these lights has the hole to mount the LED. So I have to use this part, that is the holder pin for the lights. I have to make a hole, find another way to take this mounted on this, perhaps glue, and here I have to undo the bumper, and we have a lot of cables here, and I have to connect 2 by 2. One wire comes, the other one goes to the second light, and the fourth wire returns, plus and minus. I don't want to see a mess of cable here, so perhaps it's better to make holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and get out from the inner side of the body with 2 wires each lamp. So 1, 2, 3. This could be useful also to keep this lamp that are to keep in position. Perhaps with inside a little alu tube. I don't know, I have to think it over. But the solution is to put all what I need, resistors, longer cables and so on, inside the car, not here. Here I don't want to see wiring. And this is for the front. On the rear we have a big problem, because as I already told you, this is in plastic. This is the part where I have to mount the LED. So I have to do a hole for sure, but I don't want to see this structure with in the middle a hole. So perhaps it's better if I make a hole, then I enlarge the hole like a bucket, a sort of bucket, and cover with a transparent plastic painted in red. The thing that covering, I can see here the added plastic. I can see, and I don't know if it is nice to see. The best thing would to have a little to dig inside, leaving this part entirely. Leaving this part entirely. This is a big challenge, and I love challenges. Then we have to run the wires inside the car and connect to the battery. And once again, I will show you my way to have lights using very, very few money. You need LED cables and resistors. Obviously connectors, but very cheap things, and it works. If you want, you can put a switch on the car. On this one I will go in the ancient way. I will put a switch on the car. Otherwise you can find very cheap radio controlled switches. They are very nice. It's nice to drive and switch the light on. And but this about lights will be the next video, and I hope this video will be useful for the most of you who want to have a little better car, a little better looking car, or who wants to drive in the dark. That is quite nice. By now, for today, this is all. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Spread the voice. Bring subscribers to my channel. Thank you. Ciao.